DB and EB ratio is half. Just now we have proven it. This and this angle B is common to both the triangles BDO and VEA, right? Therefore what happens? These two triangles are similar. Now once these two triangles are similar, therefore angle BDO equals to angle BEA, right? Because CPCT means what? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Also BD upon BE equals to DO upon EA, right? Because what? The CPCT, basically the ratios of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are always equal. So BD upon BE we know 1 by 2. So therefore DO upon EA will be again 1 by 2. But what we want? We want EA. EA equals to then what? 2 into DO, right? So 2 into OD. OD is we know 8 because it's a radius. So you got EA as 16 now. Now EA is 16. Now in triangle DEA, this triangle, okay, this angle is 90, DEA. Therefore DA square equals to DE square plus EA square, right? Now we know both. 105, DE square is 105 because DE was root of 105. Just see this. So, right, this was DB root of 105, but DB equals to DA, we have proven it. So this becomes 105 plus EA square is 16 square. 16 square is 256 plus 105, 361. Therefore DA square equals to 361. Therefore DA equals to square root 361, that is 19. So AD equals to 19. That's the required answer. Next is solve. There are 3 sub questions to it. Radius of the given circle is, see this. This is a circle given and we have to find a radius, means OB we have to find. This length we know 13. This is given as 9. This is given as 7. Okay. Here in triangle OBA, OB equals to OA radius. Therefore OBA is isosceles. Therefore in isosceles triangle the perpendicular from apex point to the opposite side bisects the opposite side. So to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.